Shopify is one of the most prominent e-commerce systems with over 1 million stores. Because more and more people are shopping online, store owners are missing out on a huge earnings opportunity. Sellers that learn how to make money online and market their services or products develop a reputation over time and see a significant increase in sales. Is it really that simple to generate money using Shopify? Yes, if you know what you're doing. One of the most impressive aspects of Shopify is how user friendly it is for both businesses and customers. And the best part is that getting started as a merchant is simple. There are various proven ways to make money using Shopify that many other sellers currently utilize. Whether you own a small business or are wanting to start a new enterprise, we'll go over how to make money on Shopify and offer advice on how to build your business quickly. If you're looking for a way to make money on Shopify, consider opening an e-commerce site. The platform makes it simple for anyone to open an online business with no effort. You have a variety of alternatives for what you can sell, including handcrafted items, resale items, and services. Shopify is better for e-commerce than most similar systems since it's easy to add products, curate them, and let buyers check out quickly. Additionally, you can start a blog for your Shopify store to increase organic traffic. Here's a handy Shopify SEO guide to help you get started with basic SEO for your store. You can utilize Shopify applications in addition to a blog to enhance your sales. The App Store has a large number of apps and reviews. For example, you can choose the finest upsell app for your Shopify store and upsell products at checkout to increase income. Dropshipping is very popular these days, and many e-commerce and Shopify merchants profit from it. The best aspect is that your inventory will not be put under any stress. Dropshipping is a business concept that allows you to outsource your products and sell them directly on your website. All you have to do now is identify suppliers with products that are comparable to or identical to those in your niche. Then upload your new SKU and wait for customers to make purchases. The stages to starting a dropshipping business are as follows. Customers make purchases from your shop. Your Shopify store automatically sends order information to your dropshipping supplier. Your dropshipping supplier is in charge of the entire order, including packaging and labeling. The order is delivered straight to the customer by your dropshipping supplier. In some circumstances, making money on Shopify does not necessitate selling anything. You can become an affiliate by joining the Shopify affiliate program. Content makers, educators, influencers, and individuals who wish to inspire audiences and encourage them to establish their own businesses using Shopify are all invited to participate in this initiative. Partners must refer their audiences to Shopify in order to participate in the program. This one, like traditional affiliate marketing, is based on commissions. When a member of your audience signs up for a paid Shopify business plan, you earn commissions. Thanks to tools like Printful and Printify, making money with Shopify has never been easier. The process of designing, manufacturing, and shipping printed clothing is more efficient and straightforward than ever before. Starting your own clothing brand is a great way to turn your creative creations into something profitable. Connect your Shopify store to the app. Choose the goods to which you want to apply your design and then upload your design. Products are printed on demand. As a result, if a consumer buys a product, they deduct their charge from the money and begin manufacturing the product. You won't have to worry about shipping because they print and send the items for you. Isn't it quite profitable? Setting up an accessories brand is another popular way to earn money on Shopify. You can develop a strong brand whether you make them yourself, dropship them, or have them made, especially with the support of effective marketing. Most people ask, can you earn money on Shopify separately? But let me tell you, it's not just about the platform you use to sell your goods. Sure, there are benefits, but you must still understand your industry and how to advertise your goods. You can create a one-of-a-kind niche product that caters to a specific demographic. This ensures that you are aware of your clients' identities and how to address them. Marketing to a focused target demographic is easier than marketing to a large and diversified population.